beautiful day here in the marina. Me and my dad are going out here.
What's up, fellas?
It's a nice and hopefully calm day out there. I'm gonna go out and try to target some tuna, some wahoo, whatever wants to bite, man. That's what we're going for today. But we'll catch you guys out there when we get out to the fishing grounds. Later. Might be on here, we don't know. It's way back there. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, we got a mahi! Hold on. Oh, dude, why are you trying to flip? Oh, Colby tried to flip. I didn't try to flip shit. And the mahi got away. Yeah, baby. Let's see if mine goes down.
You recording?
Yeah, I'm on.
We got a big mahi on out here, guys.
Nice.
It's a big one. It's a good mahi right here.
Okay, I'm gonna gaff him this time. Told you they'd eat the lures.
Huh?
Told you they'd eat the lures.
He's about to jump. Oh, it's a good one, dude.
Fish up so I can get him in the
Sounds
boat.
good.
Please. There we go. Get his ass up. Ah. Now let's try and yeah. We're good. Ah.
Yeah. He unhooked himself.
Sweet. Alright. Another trucker. Holy crap. Are you serious? What? Oh my god. That is awesome. Holy crap. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Oh wow. There's so many, dude. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Look at all the birds, dude. Oh my god. This is awesome. What? Look at that. Holy crap. This is amazing. Oh my god, dude. This is so epic. Oh my god. This is, look at, we got dolphin oh my god. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Oh my god, dude. What? What is happening? There's just dolphin flying out of the water everywhere. There's 1,000 dolphin right here, dude. Wow. That is so awesome. They're just swimming right here on the boat. Oh my god. Look at all these dolphin right here, dude.
I haven't seen one tuna though.
This is the craziest thing. Holy crap. Oh my. Dude, this is crazy.
This is the craziest thing.
Look at all the dolphin. Alright guys, we got 4 lines out right now. We're coming up on a pack of like 30 birds over here just feeding. Going crazy. We found the tuna grounds, guys. We might get hooked up here.
For tuna.
We might get on a tuna here soon. Got a good one or what?
Yeah, he's good fish.
Oh. Stay on, baby. Stay on, baby. Oh, he's close. Come on, baby. This is what we wanted, man. Look at them, they're still feasting over there, but don't matter. We got the hog on, right?
We got the one we came for.
Action, Dad. Really good fish, dude.
Yeah, it is.
You want to gaff him? I'll take over. Here, switch me.
Hold on.
Gaff with my line. He's fucking fired up, dude. Here, switch me out. Oh my god. Oh.
This is a fucking hog.
Oh.
Get him. Get him. You got it. Get him. No. Good.
We got him hooked good.
Hold on. You got to get him. 2 hands. No. Not in front of the line. Not in front of the line. Get him now. You got him.
What?
Oh my fucking god.
We just caught a butterball tuna.
That is a
dude.
hog. Are you fucking kidding me?
Hey, dude. That's a giant tuna. Yeah.
Ah, nice gaff.
Woo.
Oh my god. See what you got, Dad.
Are you kidding me, dude? What's going on? Where are we at?
Get my phone. Alright, first side done. After this head meat I missed.
Good job.
Alright, that's a good little nug right there. Feed the cats with that. Be happy.
Almost done with the second fillet now.
It's looking good, huh? Look at that, huh, kids?
Dang, that's fresh.
Yeah, fresh.
You can't get any fresher than that.
I know these little pieces here would be good to eat.
All right.
What's going on, Mom? What are you doing?
We got some salt, pepper, chili powder, paprika.
Yeah. Ooh. Shabam.
Those are looking good, son. Got more in the tin foil. Woo. Cooking here in our backyard.
Our ridiculous backyard with a stupid view of the rainforest.
Oh, looks good. Heck yeah. Fish is looking amazing.
How about this?
We got the corn.
Charred corn.
Corn.
Charred tomato and feta cheese and red onion.
Oh yeah, it's
It's
gonna
supposed to have avocado, but the avocado.
Avocado was rude. It
was
was
rank.
raw. It's alright, we're gonna make a bomb taco out of this. Here.
Fuck yeah, who's better than us?
Not anybody.
Who's better than us right now?
No one. Alright, we got the homemade tartar going down on the tortilla. After, we're gonna go with
They're
the corn
cooked, yeah.
dip.
I would have probably put more salt on it.
More salt?
I did under season just because.
And then, I'm gonna grab
You know
one of
what I
these
mean?
amazing mahis. Put one right there.
Yeah, you gotta bust those up.
Put one right there. What do you think? Is that enough? Should I put one more slab in there?
Look, it looks like chicken.
Looks so.
Turn it
look
right
at
there.
that.
It
Look
looks
at
like chicken. It's so
that.
white.
That meat is amazing. That's what she said.
God, Colby. That's what you
Buen
do
provencho.
with blackened fish.
That is dumb, man. It was a good day on the boat.
Yeah, baby.